Hi guys, this is Rohan here from Autozeel.com. Our customer loved the previous two microfiber of ours and requested us to launch in more amount of colors. Today here we are launching in 3 new colors, starting with the black one. This is a 400 GSM, 16 inch by 16 inch. The MRP of this thing is 109 rupees. This can be used for buffing and drying water. Since it's 400 GSM, it will have more amount of flushness and can absorb good amount of water. Next is this is our 380 GSM blue color, which our customers have loved a lot. Next we have is the 320 GSM 16 inch by 16 inch size in red color. This can be your go-to microfiber for cleaning your interiors, your glass, anything and everything. This has been launched at a very good price of MRP of rupees 89. Another color which we have launched is in brown shade. This is a 320 GSM 16 inch by 16 inch size. Again, this is your go-to microfiber for cleaning your glasses, even your interiors and everything, and price of rupees 89. The main idea behind this is to have different microfibers for different purposes. So blue and black could be for your paint work, red could be for your interiors, brown could be for your glass and other things. All these microfibers starting today are available on Autozeel.com for purchase. All the links for purchase are given in the description below, and you can also contact us for bulk purchases as well. So try these products out and let us know your feedback. Thank you so much.